Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 31. How does an expanded flat correction looks like in a bear market? The answer is point B exceeded the start of A and point C exceeded A.
Quote number 25. Benjamin Graham said, "In the short run, the market is a voting machine, but in the long run, it is a weighing machine." This means that the market acts like a popularity contest in the short term, but in the long term, we see the real value behind the market instrument. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.